And we begin tonight with the return of mask mandates here in Erie County due to the rising cases of COVID. Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz announced the new mandates today. Good evening, I'm Scott Levin.
And I'm Mary Alice Demler. Face masks will once again be required in public indoor spaces in Erie County. 2 on your side's Liz Lewin joins us now to explain what those new mandates are. Liz?
Hi, good evening, Scott and Mary Alice. Well, as you mentioned, the new mask mandate for Erie County will feel familiar, as a lot of places you might have been enjoying lately without a mask will now require you to wear one. County officials are sending out this warning as well. If numbers don't start to trend downward, more mandates could be on the way.
Don't risk it. Don't risk it. Delta's really bad. It's spreading like wildfire indoors.
COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are continuing to spike in Erie County. Now, county and health officials are taking drastic and immediate measures to reduce transmission just ahead of the holiday season, starting with a return to mask mandates, phase 1 of a 4-phase approach to control case numbers.
The emergency powers and the state of emergency is still in existence.
That's here in Erie County.
As a result, we are implementing this 4-phased approach. Phase 1, mask mandate for all indoor public locations in Erie County.
So what does this all mean? Well, let's break down what you need to know as it relates to phase 1, masking. For starters, when will Erie County's mask mandate for indoor public spaces go into effect?
Effective tomorrow, Tuesday, November 23rd at 6 a.m.
This applies to everyone entering an indoor county space.
Masks must be worn by all patrons age 2 and older who are able to medically tolerate a face covering and are all publicly facing staff. This is the same standard as we had earlier in the year, at the end of 2020.
What Erie County locations and/or businesses must abide by the mask mandate orders?
Bars and restaurants have to wear a mask while entering, walking around. If you're seated at the table and eating, of course you can take your mask off.
In addition, here's Erie County's full list of places that must comply with mask requirements. The county consulted business, community, and healthcare leaders, many of whom, according to the county executive, welcomed this step. As for how a return to mandates could help lower transmission, well, medical experts say masking provides another layer of protection when it comes to preventing airborne respiratory illnesses like COVID from spreading.
We need people to get vaccinated, and we need people to wear a mask to prevent further transmission. If we do that, we'll never go into phase 2.
Which is a county-wide vaccine mandate for indoor dining, bars, and entertainment venues.
We know the greatest way to reduce transmission is to wear a mask.
I want to reiterate that these masking requirements are only for Erie County right now. We did hear from a Niagara County representative who says they are not considering a mask mandate right now. As for phases 2 through 4, Erie County will continue monitoring data week by week and reevaluate as they see fit. Reporting here in the studio, Liz Lewin, Channel 2 News.